Cooking with phrases, understanding, sauté until tender. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning through everyday scenarios. Today, we're stirring up something special for all the cooking enthusiasts and language learners out there. We're going to explore the meaning and application of the phrase, sauté until tender. By the end of this video, you'll not only enrich your culinary vocabulary but also enhance your cooking skills. So, let's get sizzling. First things first, let's dissect sauté until tender to understand what each word brings to the table. Sauté is a cooking method where you cook food quickly in a small amount of oil or fat, usually in a pan over direct heat. The word sauté comes from the French word sauter, which means to jump. It refers to how food may be tossed around in the pan. Until is a word that we use to talk about something that continues up to a particular time or event. Tender in the culinary world refers to food that is soft enough to be eaten with little resistance. It's not mushy, but it's no longer firm or tough. Combining these, sauté until tender, instructs you to cook the food over high heat with a bit of oil until it becomes soft. Understanding when to use this technique is crucial for perfecting many dishes, from vegetables to proteins. Vegetables. For vegetables, sautéing until tender often involves cooking them until they're just soft enough to be enjoyable but still retain some of their natural crispness. This method is perfect for greens like spinach or bell peppers, where you want to highlight their freshness. Proteins. When it comes to proteins like chicken or tofu, sautéing until tender means cooking them until they are just done, ensuring they remain juicy and flavorful without becoming tough or dry. Tips for perfect sautéing. Heat your pan before adding oil. Choose the right oil with a high smoke point, like vegetable or canola oil. Don't overcrowd the pan, as this can steam the food instead of sautéing. Keep the food moving by stirring or tossing in the pan. Now that you know what it means and when to use it, let's put sauté until tender into practice with a simple recipe. Simple sautéed garlic spinach. 1. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. 2. Add minced garlic to the pan and sauté for about 30 seconds. 3. Add fresh spinach leaves and sauté, stirring occasionally, until the spinach is wilted and tender, usually about 2 to 4 minutes. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This recipe is a great way to practice not just the cooking method but also to experiment with the idea of tenderness in cooking. And there you have it, folks. Sauté until tender is more than just a phrase. It's a gateway to cooking delicious, healthy, and vibrant dishes. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and application of this common cooking instruction. Remember, cooking is as much about language as it is about taste and technique. So, keep practicing, both your cooking and your English. Happy cooking and learning! See you in the next video.